Good morning guys. Ayan, so papunta kami ng dagat, ng ilog pala. Ayan, good morning, good morning. Ayan. Ayan, so papakita ko sa inyo yung ilog dito sa UN.
Okay.
Punta muna tayo sa store. Bili tayo ng makakain sa habang nag-fishing. Some chips lang naman. And then I think bibili na lang kami ng food for lunch. Thank you. So, okay.
Got to spray gas everywhere.
Really? So, ayan.
Stop, Paul.
Damn,
it really blows.
Grabe. I think it's fine. Grabe, ang lakas na. My eyelash is gonna be around. Grabe, ang lakas ng alon. Tapos ang lakas, yung yung eyelash ko matutulog. Hi, Jana. Jana. Say hey. So, ayan guys. Akyat na tayo. Grabe yung alon. Look,
Let the wind blow you off.
it's the color of the water.
Adrian, is that
Color
yours?
brown.
I don't think so. I don't think that's good.
Andito na kami. Here.
Mama, can you help? I need help. I thought this was mine.
Ayan, si-settle muna. Oh, sit down there now. Sit down.
But my last second is
Kaka, move.
Mama, can you help? Okay.
Let's go.
Thank you. Diba, habagat o habagat?
Where's the Scotty?
In the truck.
lakas ng alon. Wala lang, kakain lang kami dito. Oh, what happened? Wala, baby. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Get out of here.
Do you remember I was driving?
Where's he want me to go at?
Ganito po pag mag-transfer na. Wala! Is this okay there? Yeah, it's like, it's mud. Oh my God! Ayan, oh. Ay!
Okay, come on.
1, 2.
Right, here I come. Go over there. Oh. Which way? The wind's blowing this way, right? Yeah. Jump out this cove over there where that boat's going.
There'll be a one more after that.
Oh, is it?
Ayan, pag nag-stay na kami dito. Lalagay yung bubong.
Ain't too bad.
Ang lakas na mga ano. Ayan yung bubong pag ano, pag nakahinto na kami, ilalagay yan dito. Para may ano, pero malamig siya. Pero hindi ganun kalabo. Pero kaya naman. Yung kailas ko. Ayan, di ba? Oh my God, guys. So, yan. Hindi na tuloy ang aming pag-fishing. Alon.
You did the same, though, did it?
No. Oh my God, almost! Oh my God, kala ko tapos na namin eh. Ayan, hindi na tuloy ang ating pag-iisda. Diba? Be careful! Ay, oh, okay. Ang lakas ng ano, ng alon, actually. Eh, sila dito. Okay, fixing to go there. Basa ako, guys, basa. Basang-basa sa basang-basa sa lambot, basang-basa sa water. Oh my God, pumunta lang kami dito pa. Mag-ano yung yung bangka. Muntik mo kami mag-sink lahat ng food. Lahat ng food nadala ng alon. Kaloka. So ayan, pauwi na kami. Anan pa yung asawa ko. Inaantay pa yung truck to get them. Yeah, dito. Grabe ang lakas ng alon. Pero sumigi pa rin kami, 'di ba? Yung titigas ng alon. I know, Mama is wet. So look, it's wet. Ayan, basa. Basa. As in, basa talaga. As in, basa. Akala ko nga magsisink kami sa water. So, ayun. Which is okay naman kami. We're fine. We're doing okay. So, ayan. I-load na yung boat. Go. Lahat pati nga yung sasakyan, yung boat na yan, puno ng tubig. Yung amin, di naman na ng tubig. Kaso, yun yan. Medyo malalaki kasi yung mga sakay. Eh, syempre, malakas yung alon. So, ayun. Muntik mag-sink yung yaka ang galaw talaga ng ating grabe. Pag may malalaking alon, doon siya talaga mahirap ayan, dito may tumulong doon.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome. Yes, ma'am. Now this side.
Ayan o. From water. Okay. Come on.
You had
So, ayan, guys. Pauwi na.
You had fun.
So,
My thing up to my waist.
Because the water is right.
The water was all the way in.
kami lahat basa.
I ain't gonna lie.
I did. I had.
Basa kami pa rin panty.
What?
Buti nga,
And then the
buti nga,
second time
ano.
it happened, it just like I was pissed off.
Buti
'Cause
nga.
we recuperated from the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We was going on into the damn cove to fish. Oh shit! I'm supposed to go up that way. No. God, why you give her such a big bag of Doritos?
There's nothing.
There you go.
What happened?
Yeah, look what the water did to it.
Ay, yeah. Ayan, nagutom kami dahil yung pagkain namin, pa ng dagat. No, actually, lake yun, lake. So, kaya, lahat na dinala ng tubig. Are you still wet?
Yeah.
Oh, your mouth. Okay. So, ayan, before umuwi. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung video kahit fishing gone wrong.
Yeah,
Hindi na
fishing gone wrong.
Actually, ano lang yun.
And now we're still
We're
wet.
just going to
And we're going
hang
to
out
waterpark.
with the family, you know.
We're going to water.
Fishing, kain. Kaso ang lakas ng alon. Ang tigas kasi ng ulo nung mga matatanda namin kasama. Oo. Sabi ko hindi na pwedeng tumuloy. Kaso sayang naman yung 2 hours yung drive papunta dito. So ayun. Kaya tiningnan kung kaya. But anyway, hindi talaga kaya. Hindi naman siya as in magsisink yung boat kasi hilis magkaano pa rin yun eh. Lulutang pa rin naman. But anyway, hey, come on. But anyway, ayan yung nangyari. Di ba tuwa pa sila oh. Di ba? Oh, yung isa naka-shorts na lang.
There's 6 people. There's 6 people here.
Okay, come on. Yeah. Ay, nako. Hello. Tayo, order muna tayo. Okay.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, ready to catch up. So. Go.